Hello and welcome to Easenomics. Here we will learn about various concepts, ideas and views of different economists, theories and models. Remember, in the game of economics, all of us are players and none of us are spectators. So let's get right into it. So today we are going to learn about trickle-down effect and we are going to do that with the help of a story. Meet Ram. Ram owns a clothing brand which produces garments for women and men of all ages. His brand is one of the most successful fashion companies in the nation and is widely popular among masses. He employs large number of workers who work dedicatedly and contribute to the company's success. Ram's fashion company is also environmentally responsible and works on producing sustainable fashion. Ram, with the help of his team, implements new methods and ideas, and this way he keeps his brand unique and runs a successful business. This reaps Ram a lot of profit and success, which he further invests in other new factories in different locations in the country. This time he has set up a new plant in a rural location. The factory work has kicked in. It has employed most of the youth in the area who are being trained by skilled professionals of Ram's company. The produce from the factories are sent overseas and Ram's company is doing well again. All his hard work is paying off. The rural setup sees an uplift and slowly market and other businesses are flourishing in the area. On the other side, Ram, with the supernormal profit that he earns, owns a fleet of luxury cars. Also, Ram, for his business and leisure work, hires a jetliner which is mostly at his disposal. Ram has built a new mansion and employed many housekeeping staff. Like other citizens of the country, Ram also pays his taxes on time. But you know what the government decides? The government decides to give Ram a concession, a tax benefit. But why will a country's government do that? Ram is a wealthy businessman. He has a lot of income and property. He must pay more tax than a salaried individual. But the government has other plans. The government provides Ram tax benefits because with reduction in tax, Ram will invest more of his earning and stimulate business investment and benefit the society in large. Like we saw earlier. Ram built a new business empire. His company provided jobs to the youth in the rural area. The marketplace in that area developed. Ram's consumption also increased, and with increase in his income, his spending also increased, leading to multiplier effect, which we learnt about in the previous video. This is called the trickle-down effect. These tax benefits and breaks to the wealthy will give rise to trickle-down effect. It is an approach through which things move from top to the bottom. This theory gained popularity in US during the presidency of President Ronald Reagan. India also has a trickle-down version of itself. In the year 2006, Government of India devised a principal guidelines for Special Economic Zone, that is SEZ. SEZ is a duty-free enclave which is purposely established to generate trade and tax benefit. It is believed that less regulation, tax cuts for corporation and increase in income earners would incentivize company and the wealthy to raise output and create better jobs. But according to few critics of this policy, added benefits the wealthy receive adds to the growing inequality in the country. The concept of trickle-down effect has been criticized in large scale, but the policies of government still follows this concept to enhance economic situation of the nation. The large-scale investment by entrepreneurs and the government have helped the local entrepreneurs, small businessmen and community in large. That's all for today and thank you for subscribing to Easenomics.